Hi, my name is Laksana and I'm going to give you practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, literally anything. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is March 18th, 2025, and this is going to be day 253 of consistently helping people build consistency. So I believe one of the best way to be consistent at doing something is to just create the best environment to actually do that thing. Okay? So first thing first, I'm going to be giving an example, right? So, I need to edit on a day-to-day basis, right? Because I need to edit these videos. And just to be honest, I kind of procrastinate my editing session. Yeah, I procrastinate. Why? Because, it kind of feels suck, to just like sit down. I don't know about you, right? Maybe you like editing, but I personally kind of think like, hey, you know what? I need to sit down and just like edit this video for some minutes, at least like 20 minutes and stuff, and maybe like also edit another video and it might take hours and hours and so on and so on. So I kind of like procrastinate not doing the thing. Okay, I procrastinate because it kind of feels uncomfortable to just sit down and edit. But then I kind of find out, but hey, you know what? If I just kind of like put some pillow in my back on my back, right, while editing, well, it kind of feels even way more comfortable, right? I kind of like I can like edit for hours and hours without actually feeling that uncomfortable. Okay. And when I realized this, I kind of think like, hey, you know what? Why don't I just like create the best environment for me to actually edit my videos and also do my other things? So, my point here is that when you are trying to be consistent at doing something, just think of how can you even make the environment better, even way more comfortable, even way more comfortable for you to just do that particular thing for hours and hours, or maybe like longer hours. Okay, because if if you can just reduce the friction, reduce the uncomfortableness, the probability of you actually doing that thing is going to be higher because the probability of you actually enjoying that thing for longer hours is going to be higher, right? So that's one thing. And then the second thing is that I believe we should make our environment as motivating as possible, okay? Well, people keep on saying that, oh yeah, you know what? Don't rely on motivation. Rely on discipline. Do your thing regardless how you feel. Well, to some extent, I kind of agree with this idea. But if you can just try to deliberately, consistently motivate yourself on a day-to-day basis with your environment, and when you're feeling motivated, your probability of doing the thing consistently is going to be higher. I think why not try? Okay, why not try to actually improve? Why not try to enhance your probability of doing the thing through making a motivating environment, right? This could be done in like joining community in your particular field, but also it could look like something as practical as just changing your alarm tone. Maybe you have this exercising schedule, or maybe you have this studying schedule and you have this alarm, right, to tell you to study, to tell you to exercise. Instead of just having the boring, beep 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 alarm tone, why don't you change the alarm tone into your one of your favorite motivational song, motivational music, or maybe change it into one of your favorite motivational speech from, one of your favorite motivational speakers, right? So this way, every single time we listen to the alarm, every single time it's time for us to study, it's time for us to exercise, the probability of us actually going to be doing it is going to be higher. Why? Because, there are going to be emotions, right? Emotions that are being evoked by these audios, by these songs, by this motivational speech, right? And also, even if we don't feel like we are feeling motivated on that particular day, even after we listen to the audio, to the alarm tone, I think that's still going to be okay. Why? Because still, the probability of us actually still doing it is going to be higher. Why? Because we are going to be reminded of our reasons, okay, why we do our thing. Okay? So even if we are not feeling motivated, big chances we are still going to be thinking like, you know what, even if I don't feel like I want to do this thing on this particular day, I'm still going to be doing this thing. Why? Because this thing is really important. I'm still going to be doing it regardless how I feel, whether I'm feeling motivated or not, right? So basically, that's the importance of creating the right environment for you to actually be consistent at doing your thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and also join our Discord. Bye bye. Oh yeah, and for today's date authenticity post, Mimzar posted a courage the cowardly dog on March 8th, March 18th, 2025, last 24 hours, something like that. Thank you.